happening, YouTube? Welcome back. Today's a very exciting day. We're test fitting my wheels. Hello, wheel! So excited! If you watched the video that I did on the Turbo Mark 1 MX5, you might have noticed that I said this.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go lower before I get wheels.
Yeah, I didn't do that. These wheels that I've got, they came up, really good price, couldn't really say no. They're just so sick, so we're going to get them on today, know what needs to be done to the arches, how much work needs to be done, and how much lower I need to be, which is going to be a fucking lot, but we'll find out soon.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
There they are. They're Rota TBTs, 15-inch 8J ET0, so they're quite wide, the boys. We've got the car here. We're going to get them on the car, see how much work needs doing to these arches and how lower I need to go. I'm going to have to go so much lower. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So I know I said that I needed coilovers before wheels, but I was browsing eBay, as you do, and I saw these. Pretty much brand new condition. If you bought these new, they were 135 a wheel, I think. So like, quick maths, 540 quid for a full set of the wheels. Then you need tyres. The tyres that are on there are 40 quid a piece. So that's another 120. What's that? 660 quid. I got these wheels shipped for 410 quid. Bargains. Home bargains. Go on, crack it.
Crack it real good.
Look at this, what Tony's been cracking on with and all. Can we see? I'll just commandeer one of these a minute. Watch this. He's been doing custom bumper things.
Whoa.
Yeah. Smooth, boy, be careful. So what have you done to it?
So we had horrible reflectors in here. They've been filled. I've debadged it. There was numerous cracks all on the bottom and a huge crack up here, which we didn't see because of the number plate. But everything's been fiberglassed and filled.
There was a bar going across as well, weren't there? Plastic.
Yeah.
What a bit, eh?
Yeah, so there was another middle bar here. I've cut that out, put some new pieces back in, and fiberglassed and filled them as well to give it a bit of an angrier look.
I can't wait to see it painted up. Right, so let's get these wheels on. Bye. These tyres are directional. So that's for that side. No. No. Stay. Good Rota. Yeah, you're that side as well. They so fit. I'm in love with him. Yo, for this boy. They have got quite a bit more stretch than I thought they were going to have. Because they're 8J, the tyres should have been 2.15s, I think it is. And I were expecting them to be 1.95s. So like, a little bit of stretch, a little 20 mil stretch. Never hurt no one. But they're actually 1.85s, which concerns me a little bit. Should be alright, but we'll just have to see. So the fronts are on. She's a bit wider. Oh god. Oh my god. That's gonna look so sick. Right, let's get these back ends on. Fuck off. What the fuck?
I thought, what the fuck is this going on here?
I knew for a fact when I got these wheels that the locking wheel nuts that were on the car weren't going to fit inside these wheels. It was just good to fit in the last one now. And if you can see, this is going to be disastrous. This one, nice and threaded inside. This fucker, there's no bastard threads in it. There's actually no threads inside it. There's nothing. Is this a joke? Is this an actual joke? Eh?
Am I a joke to you?
Am I a joke to you? I genuinely can't believe it. We're gonna try and tap it out. For fuck's sake!
It's gotta be that one that I ain't got in it. I think that one's the right one. It goes in a few threads but then stops, but I don't know if that's just because it's fucking... Pretty sure that's the right one.
It's absolutely... I can't be asked getting it to focus again. But it's absolutely ridiculous.
I've been doing this mechanicking bit for like, you know, a good 7 years now, and I thought, I've never struggled this hard to get away on before.
Right, good luck, sir. Sorted?
Sorted.
Legend. That was a bit of a nightmare. That is not what I wanted, but all the wheels are on. We're going to let it in. See what she looks like, eh, Chelsea? Ooh.
He's off.
Go on, keep going. Fucking hell. Arch gap for days. Tony, I'm moving out.
I've got a new place to live. My arches.
This does look rather high right now. It does look worse on camera as well. Look at it in here.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
It's a Hansworth.
Yeah. Big hands, you and all.
Big hands, bro.
Big hands, Barry. We'll put her down on the deck. We'll get her off the ramp. And we'll just let it settle for a bit. Just to see if it gets any better.
Just cuts back to frantically putting stuff in the boot. It's not open.
Cinder blocks in the boot. So yeah, we'll do that and we'll have a look. Damn, she thick. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, son. It's pretty horrendous.
Not right to me, huh?
Yeah.
Catching.
Nah, it's right, isn't it? Yeah, little do you know, this car's actually on the floor right now, it's just that high. We're bloody golden, we are.
Tell you what, it's better on your fucking brake pad as well.
Is it?
It's not there's a lot more slack in it. Like before, we're absolutely nearly
Yanking it off. Nice. Right, so the car's over there, being doused in light for some sexy cinema tax in a minute. But we've checked everything. Nothing fouls, nothing, you know, nothing's even close to fouling really, is it? So I'm thinking, even though my arch gap is pure AIDS, I'm just gonna run them. I'm just gonna run them because they don't even need rolling that much, to be fair. Like, it's really not that bad. So I'm just going to send it. I don't know what to do though. I'm thinking, do I just get a set of lowering springs until I can afford a set of decent coilovers, because I have not got 600 quid or whatever to chuck at them right now. Whereas you can get lowering springs for like 80 quid a set, or are they just going to snap? And the other reason I don't want to do that is because if you're putting lowering springs on stock dampers, then they're going to be softer. My arches are going to be closer to the wheels. Are they going to... So I'm not sure what to do yet, but I'm thinking I'm just going to leave the wheels on. They're on. They don't look horrendous. So fuck it. Have a look at this. So that's going to be it for this one. I fucking love these wheels. I mean, I love them that much, I'm putting up with this. So, it's got to say something on it. What we're going to do now, we're going to quickly whip them back off, make sure they balance properly. Throw them on, and I'm going to leave them on. Don't care. I'm going to leave them on. If anyone can recommend either some decent lowering springs for an MX5 or a decent set of coilovers which aren't ridiculous money, leave that in the comments. That'd be a massive help. Also, if you have enjoyed, make sure you press that subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!